Hello and welcome to Thor-is-testing. We are in a series here of American MREs, US MREs, and today we're going to test the cold water edition here of the MRE. So I'm just going to open it and see what's in it. Okay, let's see what's in it here. We have a spoon, regular. It was also in the regular MRE and in the long range patrol. We have moisture. Towel, we have sugar, we have matches, we have coffee and coffee creamer, we have some tissues, we have some chewing gum, then we have this cinnamon bun. This is going to be interesting, I've not tasted that. We have this freeze-dried chicken rice, we have Tabasco sauce, we have cheddar cheese pretzels, it's going to be interesting. We have some First Strike edition here. A First Strike nutrition bar. It's going to be interesting. It is with raspberries. Sorry. And then we have this pouch here, which is a chocolate hazelnut cocoa beverage powder, and it can be used both with cold and hot water. I'm going to try it with hot water today because it is a cold weather edition. So I'm just going to prepare and see how it is. Now we are ready for food here. We have the rice, chicken with rice, we have the pretzels, we have some cinnamon bun, we have coffee, we have this hot cocoa drink, we have Tabasco sauce, we have this nutrition bar, and we have some gum, and we have a wet towel, sorry. And these wet towels are the same as in the other American MREs, and they are very good quality. They are very wet and nice, and you get this nice clean feeling when you use them. I'll enjoy them. Okay, I think we should just jump into the rice here. I didn't use so much water as the long range patrol here. It was a little bit soppy, but and this seems more correct with this amount of water. I'm just going to try it here without the Tabascos. Okay, it is definitely not as good as the what did you call it, the spaghetti I got last time, but that was exceptionally good. This is a little bit more dull. Maybe it should have had a little bit more water, but the Tabasco helps. And you have nice big chunks of chicken in here, and they taste great. It's actually not so bad at all. It's just not as good as the spaghetti, but hey, you cannot win all the time, and it is actually quite okay. Okay. Let's see. It has some kind of spice that I don't know, but hey, what do I know? I don't know every spices, but it's okay and it's good, and it is definitely eatable. Let's taste this cocoa hazelnut chocolate hot beverage here. It tastes good. It's very, very sweet. And you can both taste the hazelnut and the chocolate. I don't know, I cannot taste the cocoa, but that's probably just me. Delicious. I enjoy that. Let's try this bun. It's a cinnamon roll bun, I suppose. I think it's American thing. I'm not sure. I have not tried this in Denmark. Oh, it's kind of like cake. You can definitely taste the cinnamon in here. It is sweet. I thought when it was a bun, I thought it was like some kind of a regular bread, but it's not. It's actually a I think it tastes more like cake or something like that. It tastes delicious. I enjoy it. has a very nice taste to it, and a very nice what you call them, structure. I enjoy that. Let's try the cocoa here, the coffee here. And yes, it is good coffee, but most of these instant coffees really are. Then you have these pretzels. I've never seen them either. Cheddar cheese pretzels. That must be loud in the microphone. Yeah, crunchy. Tastes great. It's just like a normal pretzel. I'm not sure I can taste that much cheddar cheese in there, but they taste good, and I think it's a great addition to your MRE. You get some salt and you get some nice things in here. Then you have this huge cranberry raspberry bar, nutritious bar here, and it is tough. It is hard and tough. I'm just going to taste it here. A nutritious bar. It's actually it tastes very great. You can definitely taste the raspberry and cranberries in here. It's kind of hard chewing, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable or anything like that. And it's sweet, and it just that's great. I think that's a delicious addition. So it was a cold weather MRE. Is it a lot different than the long range patrol? No, I don't think so. I cannot see how different it is. Maybe this hot beverage here can be used both as hot and cold. And I think actually that's it, because you also had a dry freezed meal there. You had coffee. You had some different kind of sweets or snacks to it, but I'm not sure why this is more cold weather than the others. But that's it here from here. It was delicious. There's lots of food in here, and I enjoyed that. Until next time, see you later. Bye.